Hey guys, so today I will tell you about freshwater versus seawater drowning. That is the changes that occurs when a person drowns in a freshwater versus seawater. So firstly coming to the mechanism of action. So in freshwater there is disruption of the surfactant which leads to surfactant denaturation. While in seawater it is disruption of the surfactant which leads to dilution of the surfactant. Now what is the surfactant? What is surfactant here? So it is the fluid lining of the alveoli in the lungs which protects the lung from collapsing. Now coming to the second point, which is fluid and electrolyte changes. So in the following diagrams, as you can see in the first diagram, there is a cell which is surrounded by the fresh water. So in fresh water there is less of salt and more of water, therefore the water enters inside the cell and the cell swells up, leading to its disruption, which leads to release of potassiums outside into the circulation. So therefore, as you can see, the electrolyte changes shows hypervolemia because of more water, hyponatremia because of less salt as it is fresh water, and hyperkalemia because of the disruption of the cell. Now in seawater there is hypovolemia and hypernatremia, because in second diagram, as you can see, the cell is surrounded by salt water which has more salt and less water. Therefore the cell shrinks as the water is released from the cell into the salty water and no disruption occurs, hence no hyperkalemia occurs. Therefore the changes would be only hypovolemia and hypernatremia. Now coming to the third point, which is time to death, that is time taken for a person to die in fresh water versus in seawater. So in fresh water the time is lesser, it is only 4 to 5 minutes, while in seawater it is more, 8 to 12 minutes. So in fresh water it is less because of the hyperkalemia occurring. So this is all about seawater versus freshwater drowning.